Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9Designs. Do you love a pretty table for Christmas holidays? If so, keep watching to see some beautiful gold, red, and black table setting. And make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment. Check it out. A clean table is a must, even though you may place a tablecloth on top, and that is exactly what I did. I placed a white tablecloth over the round, dark table and got busy with my settings. As I was in the Dollar Tree, I spotted these glitter chargers. And I thought they would look stunning with my Walmart black trimmed in gold plates on top. On my recent trip to Vienna, I went to H&M Home and I purchased these red coasters trimmed in white. On top of the coasters, I placed a crystal bottom and ruby red top wine glass for a glam look. I think the gold and black silverware was purchased from Amazon or Temu, and these were placed on the sides of the charger. I placed a white salad plate with gold and black branches tied with a bow motif. The brand is American Atelier, which I think I purchased from Pier 1 some time ago. A velvet bowl napkin holder was used to highlight its beauty. Next, a black cloth napkin trimmed in beige and cream, purchased from Pier 1 sometime in the past. These were positioned at the top of the place setting so the beautiful motif on the salad plate could be visualized. Three gold candlesticks were used for the centerpiece. Flanked around the candlesticks were greenery with berries and gold sticks to add to the beauty of the centerpiece. With cream napkins on top. A DIY Christmas tree in red and green were also added to the mix. And lastly, everyone likes to feel special. So a glass bottle with a saying on the outside with the words, "Keep the spirit of Christmas alive in your heart." And the other one said, "Merry Christmas." A deep red wire ribbon was attached to the top, and greenery with berries with faux snow was inside. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventure. The guest host is Annalie Cupboard. It is beginning to look a lot like Christmas is the theme of this collaboration. There are others who have joined. Make sure to subscribe to their channels and show them some love as well as the other collaborators. If you have liked what you have seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, the Christmas carol, Joy to the World, the Lord is come. This reflects the second coming of Christ. This is by Isaac Watts. See you later. Bye.